Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Hear that? Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds, blue, 60 stars in both ears.
Made it to the meetup spot where I'm supposed to meet Johnny. Hey, if you guys know IKEA, the buffet, this place is fucking good, bro. I went here for my birthday and this thing pretty fucking good. Yeah, first meet of the morning. IKEA's Cars and Coffee by Morning Motor Group. I think Morning Motor Club. Hey, look at this line to get in though. It's not as bad as the line from the freeway, bro. The line from the freeway, what the hell? Yo, check this out. Holy sick ass color. Yeah, we made it to the first spot.
Yes, sir. We're at IKEA.
We're getting some Swedish meatballs. Hey, my man always joining the wrong lane, bro. Made us park next to the trash cans.
That's all a trash can, bro.
Dang, let's go check this out. What? Dang, this thing is sick. Should I tint my windows like this? Tint my windshield like this? Look at the windshield, dark. Oh shit. All over Johnny, bro. All over Johnny. Hey, look at this fitment officer, bro.
You might have me on the lip, bro. It's expensive.
Hey, tell me why, bro. Tell me why all the lips these days, 3 pieces. Why? I don't know about that. I think they're just trying to save on shipping. Hey, all he needs is wheels, bro. This thing is clean. Dang, that thing is clean. Next to this GTR too. All right, Johnny. I'm gonna need you to clean up the mess, the oil spill from BMW on aisle 1.
Alright, bro.
Hey, what is a car meet without a line of BMWs, bro? Holy. Would have been us if we didn't get rid of our BMWs. Nah, this color right here is my favorite color from BMW, bruh. What's this, Laguna Seca? This thing is sick. Holy, what the? Nah, check this out. Oh my, is this the Sylvia, what is it, starter pack? Green paint Workmeisters? Look at this. Dang, this thing is sick too. With the Ganadors. Dang, sick ass S14. Oh shit. Check this out, man. Ooh. What wing is this? I don't know what wing this is, but hey, that stand kind of sick. This color is sick too. Damn, this thing is. Oh wait, look at this. Dang, that thing is sick ass food. A couple Miatas, NA and B. And C. Bro, every one of them. Mom got the new Civic Type R, bro. Hey, cappuccino. Dang, that's you? That's you, Kayla? That cappuccino, that's you? Oh shoot, all over 10, bro. I'm telling you 10, bro. Paint match hood. Dang, this thing is sick. Holy, this R32 is sick. I'm telling you, red is always the right move. With the brids. Hey. Oh shit. But I think there's OG over here. I think that's the owner, man. Hey, you see OG? I think that's him, bro. Hey, go dap him up real quick. Look at this. OG just out at the IKEA parking lot smoking a cig, admiring his car. Dang, me when, bro? Me when? Is this SoCal Dana? Actually, I don't know. But look at this. Sick ass food. Oh, nah, all over my mom, bro. I'm telling you, bro. It's like red is the move, bro. Look at this. That's too lindo. We have landed in the land of P cars. Hey, one day, bro. One day I'll own one, bro. Nah. Look at this one. Nah, this one is sick on the Rega Masters. Nah, this is sick. Nah, this interior is sick. Nah, bro, this is sick. With the wing too. Hey, low key. Here, hold up. Check this out. Hey, just step back a little bit. Just a little bit. Tell me it doesn't look like my car, bro. GR86, bro. Nah, you see this? Acura NXX. And guess what's right next to it? Not one, but two koenigseggs. Oh, three. Man, this is sick. Yeah, don't get close, man. Don't get too close. You breathe it in, you pay for it. The fitment police back at it again, bro. My man's checking out the brake kit. Nah, this guy again, bro. Is this an official Agro M4? Bro, y'all see the seats? Custom Agro seats? Hit it up with the whole Agro kit? Bruh. Nah, the other M4 might be sick, but this one's my favorite Agro kit, bro. The wide body. Now the lighting here is insane, bro. Okay, look at this NSX. IKEA got this little exhibit outside their thing called Dopamine. I guess you just pick up an expo and you sign the shit out of it. Got on the Conseys. What was this, Astro Boys? Astros? Cosmic Astros? Hey, what's my man gonna write, bro? He's gonna write. Was Kayla writing Rave Slave?
What the? I'm not one.
Plugging too.
Is she plugging? What were you plugging? Didn't I funk?
Hell no.
Big with Kayla. Hey, you used to owe me a kick, bruh. Hey, if y'all need any big goods in the OC area, hit up Big with Kayla on IG. Come back to this NXX real quick. Look at this interior. Man, this thing is sick. A whole aisle for Mini Coopers. What the? Kimchi, where you at? Dang. Nah, this is you, bruh. This is you, Kayla. What the fuck? Utini? More Mini Coopers, bro. Oh shoot, look at the interiors. Completely gutted. That's sick. Johnny said he gets crazy lap times, bruh. Which lap? This lap? Yeah. They brought out the whole mariachi band, dude. This is sick. Yeah, bro. This looks like the perfect family van, bro. You pull up, straight chilling in the EV. Pull up to the beach, pull up to the park. Yo, look at this, bro. What the hell? This thing is sick. Oh, shit. If you ain't rubbing, you ain't loving, bro.
Hey, I still want one.
Damn.
Does this bring you back to your OG days?
Hey, when you park next to a stock car, so you show them the true potential.
Dude, it is sick.
Man, this thing is sick for real. I don't know. But dang, the chrome wheels? Sick ass food. Alright, we're about to head out and head over to Irvine for ranked cars and coffee.
Transition in 3, 2, 1.
Hey, if Johnny and this R33 run it, who do you think's gonna win, bro? Who do you think got it, bro? Who do you think got it? Hey, they're flirting right now. I can see them in the mirror just flirting. Fuck, that thing is loud, bro. Bro, that shit is loud as hell. They're gonna run it? You think they're gonna run it? They're gonna run it? Ah, nah, they're not running it, but this thing is sick. Bro, look at this. Nah, this thing is actually sick. Yeah. Nah, we just pulled up to ranked. And look what we see. Hey, the only time I see this thing is in Forza, bro. What the? A whole ass Senna, bro.